What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another Aries video. And today in Photoshop I'm going to teach you how to use content aware, and this can get rid of stuff like here, this compass, and we'll try it with some other things, so maybe here, but there's a lot of different textures, so that one might be hard. But these numbers down here, maybe the UAV, that'll be hard here. So let's get right into it. So this is the thumbnail side, and this is just taken directly from one of my upcoming videos, Knife to Gold, on my gaming channel. So what I'm going to do is we're going to work on here. So I don't know what map this is on, but you know, no one needs to know that. I'm just going to highlight this all. I use the square selection tool, and I've got edit, fill. Alright, so you've got multiple ones here, so you know you can completely change it. Now the one you want is content aware. Your mode for blending should be normal, opacity at 100%, otherwise it's going to become like transparent and stuff. So you just want to leave that normal 100%. Press OK, and there you can see it completely goes. So I know what you're thinking now. Oh, you can do this for so many other cool stuff. Get it? Shift F5, this pops up, or you can go edit, fill, content aware. This also works on Photopea. Press OK and it's gone. This is where it's gonna need some work. I'm gonna use this 5 content aware. So you can see like it doesn't really look that good. So really, fill it back in. You can usually, I don't know what was going on there. So till it is that over off the square. It's not going to be the best one because I'm not spending a lot of time on it. Maybe just make this. Also, when it's a thumbnail, you're not going to notice that it's not perfect. In here doesn't look great, so maybe just where's the polygon lasso tool? Don't know how this will look. Everything's just about trial and error though. New layer, paste, and let's remove this. Yeah. It looks a bit weird because, you know, same thing, but let's have a little look from like back here. Oh look, you can't even really tell there's much wrong with it, although it's not the best, but obviously you can get out the clone tool and fill everything in a little bit. Okay, just like so, so when we zoom out, you don't even know, and that is how you use content aware. Okay guys, so I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment down below what you want for future tutorials, and I'll catch you next week for the tutorial on the gaming thumbnail.